Welcome to my channel. My name is Elijah Alice. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, you are welcome. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful tote bag. It's a very big one. It's a very spacious tote bag. You can use it as a nursing mother. You can use it to travel as a mini traveling bag. So if this is what you are interested in, please stay tuned and watch to the end. And make sure you like this video. Click the like button now if you are not yet liked the video. Make sure you like this video. In that way, you will be supporting us and you'll be helping us to push this video to more people that needs this video. So let's dive right into the video. Now, we need two pieces. Can you see what we need? We need two pieces of this material. We're using two different material, the design one and the plain blue. So our measurement is 15.5 by 15 inches. 15.5 by 15 inches. So that is our measurement. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, if you are just seeing us, please subscribe, like and share this video. So the next thing I did, sorry I did not show you this part, I shaped it with 2 inches. In the downside, I used 2 inches to just shape it. You can use 1.5, you can use 1 inches. So I shape it just like that. So anyhow you want to shape it, it's left for you. So I use 2 inches. So that is it. Then the next thing we are going to do now is the handle. We are going to be fixing the belt. I use belt, 1 inches belt by 27.5. So you can decide to use whatever you want to use as a handle, but this is what I'm using. So we need 2 pieces of the handle. Now it is time to fix the handle to the main body. So what I'll do is that I'll go down by 7 inches, then place the handle there. Can you see 7 inches by 2 inches? I measure 2 inches from the center to the other side, then I'll place the handle there. Can you see? Then I would sew it around. I will do the same thing to the front piece. So I'm done sewing it. Can you see it? It's very easy. It's a very beautiful tote bag, very easy to make. So I've sewn it to the front and even to the back. So the next thing to do now is to fix the front pocket. We are going to be putting pocket at the front piece, so where we can hide some things. So the pocket is 15.5 inches by 10 inches. The wideness is 15.5, while the height is 10 inches. So that is the size of the pocket. So now the next thing to do is I've already shaped it. I just use the same material to shape it. I place it on it, then I shape it. So the next thing is to fix our zipper. I'll place the zipper like this. Can you see the way I placed it? I've already sewn leather by the edge, so I'll place it and sew it, then press it. So I'm done with it. Can you see? So I sew it and then I stitch the edge of the zip with the material. So I just place it on the front piece and stitch it around. So if you have watched to this extent, thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Elijah Alice, and on this channel we do everything bag making. So stay tuned to this channel, and there are some other videos that you will see at the end of this video that is very educative. Other tutorials, bag making tutorial that you can learn from. So stay tuned and watch to the end. So now we have the zipper gusset holder. Is 2 inches by 15.5, and then this is the zipper gusset. Each of them is 4 inches. So when I join them together, it's now 8 inches. 4 inches by 10. So I'll notch the center and notch the center of the second one. Then I'll place it and then stitch. So welcome again. Thank you for watching. All my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. God bless you. If you are new here, subscribe, watch other of our videos, and then drop a comment for us. If you have a question, please drop it. If you don't have a question, just drop a sweet comment for us. to encourage us. Just like this video to also support us. Subscription is free. Just click the subscribe button and the downside of this video, then you subscribe. So I'm done stitching it. Can you see it? I'm done stitching it. So the next thing to do now is to place it. I'm going to now put it, sew it on the main piece. So as I'm about to sew it, I will separate it. So you can decide to leave it, but for easy sewing you will separate the zipper. So you sew like that, then you just separate it, remove one part of the zipper and keep it. That part is for the back. Then you sew this part to the front and to stitch like this. So do the same thing to the back piece. Do the same thing to the back piece. That is what I'm about to do now. So just place it like this. Can you see the way I'm placing it? Notch to notch, then you stitch. So I've sewn it to the both. Can you see? I've sewn it, then I use the material to like trim the edges. I use the material. You can use belt, but I use the material to trim the edges. Can you see the way I did it? Yes. I use the material to just trim the edges like that to make it neat. So after then, the next thing to do is you take one of the piece and then you measure it round. You measure it round to get your measurement for the gusset. Make sure you measure it closely. Measure it round like this. Can you see it? So that is what I'm doing now. Just measure it round closely like this. And then it's 44 inches. It's 44 inches. So what you do now is you now cut your gusset. I've already cut mine. I cut it 44 by 8 inches wide. 44 by 8 inches wide. The length is 44, while the wideness is 8 inches. So that is what I did. So I notch, I bring it together like this. Can you see it? I bring it together like this. Then I will notch the center on both sides. You notch the center on both sides so that you will sew it to the front and then to the back. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we have other video in case you are looking for. I have so many lunchbox video on this channel. We have traveling bags video, we have tote bag video. Any video you like to watch, we have it on this channel. And if you do not see any video you want to watch, please drop the comments in the comment section of what you want. Text me any bag you want, just drop it in the comment section and then I will make it for you. If more people request for it, I will make it. So now I fix the front to it. Can you see the way I fix it? Right side facing right side. Then now I want to fix the back. I want to fix the back to it. That is what I'm doing. That notch to notch. Then I will sew it around like that. So that is it. I've sewn it. Can you see the way I sew it? I'll sew it. So it's very easy to make. Please try and make your own. Then you fix this. After sewing the back to it, you fix your zipper pull. You fix your zipper pull to it like this. So it's not difficult. Just place it. Place the two together. Put it inside. Then slide your zipper pull to it. So this is it. I've fixed it. Yes, I fixed it. So then you get a small leather, and then where you fix that zipper pull, you have to close it up. If you don't close it up, this zipper pull will slide out. So you get a small leather and then you place it on it like this and then you stitch it, you sew it. So this is the final look of the bag. Thank you so much for staying tuned. If you have stayed and watched to the end, oh, thank you very much. I'm grateful. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.